In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create presentation animations in Canva. We'll walk through a simple process that takes just a few minutes, and by the end, you'll have a fully animated presentation that looks polished and professional without needing any advanced design skills. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. On the main dashboard, start by opening or creating the presentation you want to animate. Once you're inside your design, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different options like elements, uploads, and text. What you're looking for here is the Templates tab. Go ahead and click on Templates. This is where Canva stores a huge library of ready-made designs and styles that you can apply to your slides. After opening Templates, move to the search bar at the top of that panel. Click inside the search field and type in Presentation Animation. Press enter and Canva will load a selection of animated presentation templates and styles related to that phrase. Give it a moment to load, then scroll through the options. You'll see different looks and themes, each with built-in transitions and motion that you can apply to your presentation. When you find a style that fits the mood or purpose of your presentation, click on it once to preview how it will look on your slides. Take a second to imagine how your content will fit into that style. Once you're happy with your choice, look for the button or option that lets you apply it to your design. Next, click on Apply All. This is an important step because instead of adding the template to just one slide, this will apply the selected animated presentation style across all of your slides at once. Canva will update your entire presentation so that every page follows the same animated theme, keeping your design consistent and smooth from start to finish. Now that the animations and overall style are in place, it's time to edit the design to make it your own. Go through each slide one by one. Replace the placeholder text with your own content, update titles, and adjust colors or fonts to match your brand or topic. You can drag elements around, delete anything you don't need, and add your own images, icons, or logos. As you customize, use the play or present button at the top to preview how the animations look in real time. Keep tweaking until the timing, text, and visuals feel just right for your message.